Obidate Family TV and the program Na Hope Alive. We come back to quickly tell on how the thing take end, both as for the Labour Party and the PDP, as INEC abruptly closed their case this evening after just one witness. And that very witness, now I come back, make I tell on, I say, that witness lie under oath for court. And now the witness we talk say, na pastor wey him be, where they call Lawrence Bayode, a lie for court. And I won't give on directly how in take lie. In talk say, you no get meaning, the collation where they do. One, they no do them directly online. And as far as IReV they concerned, if IReV no results no show for IReV, it no take any meaning. Before this election, income for national TV, Contact say IReV, without IReV to compare, you cannot announce the correct result. Now make I talk say in lie, and na pastor in talk say him be the INEC witness. So I want now make we view that very video. Make una confirm, and because some platforms don't begin the talk say in talk true today. So I say I must come back, make tell our members say now lie, the man lie for that place, because we get in tape, we get waiting in talk for national TV. And Angel they here with me to talk about this very something very quickly. Angel, I beg, greet our people, make we another go.
Good day, my beautiful and fabulous Nigerians. My beautiful obedient. Shey una dey okay? The thing, it don't dey sweet us small. From 3 witnesses, now one they end up. They gave them from Monday till Friday. They closed for 2 days. You know, get a CV. You get no be juju with that. No, no worry. We go reclaim our mandate by His grace. Okay, so quickly, we know say the courts don't give order make Tinubu con defending matter. The court talks say that Bola Tinubu must present his defense in this very petition by filed against his declaration as the winner of the February 25th presidential election. Now we know say na Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi's Excellency, and the Atiku na them bring this very court. Now the court decision came after the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) unexpectedly concluded their defense in this petition. INEC has initially planned to call 3 witnesses, but their lead counsel will be Mr. Abubakar Mahmoud San abruptly announced closure of their defense during today's proceeding. Now, Tinubu's lead counsel, Wala Olanipe San, come begin to assure the court that his client is fully prepared to commence his defense on July 5th, will be tomorrow. So, now so they talk and to present their witness and their document, because court was very specific. During this proceeding, INEC witness Dr. Lawrence Bayode acknowledged that the electoral body encountered technical glitches during presidential election. However, he maintained that these glitches did not impact the conduct of the election, the collation of results, or the declaration of the outcome. So, addressing the allegation of blood result sheets and the INEC portal, Dr. Lawrence Bayode, who is the Deputy Director of Information and Communication, that is ICT, stated that clear result sheets can still be obtained upon request. Now, no be waiting this man talk the time when he come for national TV. Now, I want to make we watch waiting him talk with your oga wey be that Festus Okoye. Make we hear waiting then talk for national TV. Then talk say, without IReV, you cannot compare them. Now he's in court today saying that without IReV, you can declare the result. If it is not a lie, I wonder what is a lie. Now, my people, let's view it. My producer, put it on. Let our people see the reason why I'm saying he's lying under oath.
To the connection, the data
all right,
connection.
So now, concerning these beavers, we've already seen some demonstration going on there in terms of the queue, what people would expect, and the results, the IReV. Maybe we should talk a little bit about that IReV and the results. What do we expect? Because I think, I'm not sure if wait, maybe we should go this way. Now, are people still going to be able to view those results as they uploaded on IReV, INEC portal?
Yes, of course, it's real time. From the polling unit is straight to the IReV. And if there are any issue, by the time because by the time the presiding officer gets to the collation center, it tenders the beavers to the collation officer. It tenders the hard copy of that result to the collation officer. The collation officer is looking at the physical result and the one that was already transmitted to the IReV. Just oppose these two and see if there's any discrepancy, checking whether what is seen on the IReV is the same thing that is before him physically. So if everything went well, then the collation officer go ahead to enter into his own form at that level, the form EC8B at that level.
And that form will also still be displayed?
No, we are not transmitting that form. We are only transmitting form EC8A.
Yeah, that EC8A.
Yes.
Much as they will snap it and upload it, they will still display it as required, isn't it?
Yes, it will still be displayed at the polling unit. That's the form 60E at the polling unit. It will be displayed there. That the result itself will be taken to the collation officer and the beavers. The collation officer checks the accredited data, checks the form from EC8A, that's the result sheet, and also check the one on the portal to see if there are any discrepancy, whether they are the same.
If there is any discrepancy, which...
And also check the one on the portal to see if there are any discrepancy, whether they are the same.
If there is any discrepancy, which result do they then go with?
No, let me just explain this.
Yeah.
Now, we have to understand the fact that at the level of the polling unit, we have also accredited polling agents or party agents. So all the political parties, we have their party agents or polling agents at the polling unit. Now, at the period of entering the scores of the candidates into form EC8A, the polling agents will be there at the polling unit. So the presiding officer will sign from EC8A, which is the polling unit level result, and also stamp it. The polling agents or the party agents, if available, must also countersign the polling unit level result.
Okay.
Before it is uploaded or transmitted through the IReV. Now, after the accreditation data is transmitted and the polling unit level result, that is from EC8A, is transmitted, the party agents or the polling agents, together with the presiding officer and the assistant presiding officers, will physically carry that from EC8A and the beavers and other election materials to the registration area center or the electoral ward, where they will hand over that from EC8A and the beavers to the collation officer. The collation officer will look at the physical result as handed over to him. He or she will also look at the beavers as handed over, and then look at the from EC8 or the polling unit level result as already transmitted through the IReV, and the accreditation data as already transmitted before entering the scores into from EC8B, which is the registration area result. Now, if there's a dispute relating to the physically transmitted result, so to say, and the electronically transmitted result, by our own regulations and by our own guidelines and procedures, the electronically transmitted data and the electronically transmitted result will take precedence.
And I don't hear am from Lawrence Bayode, the person will be say 9 days for the witness box for INEC today. This same person, when I hear as in talk and before the election, he did very, very clear with waiting in talk. He say if they give this very result without a comparison of this very two, say it no go work. Say even for collation center, now when that very person see the one where don't transfer for IReV, recall he said they are not going to transmit the result electronically, but it's the form. He was very clear. And again, Festus Okoye took over from him when he is now explaining it to explain. But he, the other day, yesterday, when we brought his matter from national TV, he said he is a novice in ICT. As far as IReV is concerned, that he's not too knowledgeable about it. But the main ICT man who was explaining it there, he took over from him. Now the person we talk say he knows I be well. So now I won't make on a check waiting this man talk before and waiting him talk for court today. Make on a tell me where in the pastor and pastor well. Now waiting I won't make on a know. And also if when I see the screen now, and I go see say we just want display this PDP this thing as when I see for the screen. Then don't also start their case with APC. So APC don't begin to present their case. All that very one will bring up as a matter they go to tomorrow. Because today, then just they enter their own evidence and evidence. That is, then just they accept them, call they stamp them, they go. When I go see how they this thing, like the Wale son talk here. He knows that the matter is for hearing for the second respondent to open his case. He knows that they are ready to start the session by tendering from the bar the first set of documents listed in the schedule they have filed. For the purposes of clarity, they will like to tender the documents in 4 batches segments. He will tender 1 and 2 first, followed by 3, then 4, then 5 to 14. The first document is a letter from the Nigerian police dated 1st February 2023. And it goes on and on. I don't want to take much of your time with this because it's just about at the end, the court admits those documents in exhibit and marks them as RA 7 to 8 accordingly. So I will have to end this very transcript at this place because it is all about them tendering the evidence. But while Angel will a close-up, will continue to project it on the screen so that you see which evidence and which evidence, like the academic record of Tinubu, I think has been presented. The one from Chicago State University, they brought all that one in and all of that. So all those things are going to be seen from tomorrow. The real action on APC, INEC, PDP will start their real action. But for INEC and Labour Party, INEC has abruptly closed their case after their pastor witness lied under oath in court today, which I have shown you the evidence. Please like, subscribe and share so that other obedience worldwide, wherever they are, we know the truth of what is happening in Nigeria and in our judicial system. What is going on at the election tribunal. I want all obedience worldwide and well-meaning Nigerians to see this very video. And I want you to like and share. Angel, please thank our people. Make we another go.
My obedient family. My well-meaning Nigerians. The thing just dey sweet my belly. Because people where they do gra sense, go to court. We don't reach court. They were messing with the wrong person. Our principal, he tell them say he won it and he will prove it. And he's proving it to them. He's doing the justice. And his lawyers, all the sons, they are doing justice to the situation. Heat don't they worry them. Heat. All eyes on judiciary. All eyes. Nigerians, open your eyes. All eyes on judiciary. They must give us judgment. Whether they like them, no matter what, they no go use hand cover belly. They no fit. Because the truth is so glaring. It dey clear. It dey clear. It don't they hit them small. All eyes on them. Judiciary are on trial. Yes, what we need is justice and fairness. It don't they hit them. I for say, make I know the 3 witnesses where they go bring court, where go call lie for the face of over 200 million Nigerians. The kukuma no say they no get case. But they just, tomorrow, another day, make we hear waiting Tinubu lawyer and Shetima lawyer go lie for him fake certificate, for him fake NYSC. My people, they don't enter one chance. our principal go drag them till blood go come off for their body. They never see anything. Thank you, my beautiful people. Thank you for staying with us. Click, share, subscribe, tell your neighbor, say tomorrow, go day, get. Make them get ready because we go show them pepper. They know they hear something, we say they never see anyone. No be everybody they go they mess with. They messed with the wrong person, with the wrong generation. Thank you, my people, for staying with us. God bless you. We love you, but God loves you more. Bye for now.